Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I will like to show to you to avoid the notification from specific applications that you don't want to receive any notifications from. So let's say one application could give you like a bunch of notification and sometimes it could be disturbing you, and let's just silent or the notification from this application. If you want to do that, just open your settings. The next, just scrolling down until you got these notifications right here, and you just need to tap on it. The next is you just need to find the application that you want to turn off the notifications. Let's say I would like to turn off the notification from the GarageBand application, so you just need to tap on it. Now you just need to restrict the notification from this application by turning off this button. Now that could be no notifications coming up again, since you already restricted the notification from specific application that you have been chosen. So you can do for the rest application if you want. That's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this. If you still have some questions, just drop into the comment sections below, and don't forget to turn on the notification sections so that you will not gonna miss for the upcoming tutorial. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other video.